Thank you for tuning into the Force Production Powerlifting channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook with just the fat that's on the beef. No extra fat needed. What we're going to do is we're going to drag out under low heat the fat that's already on the piece of meat. And then, once we get enough fat, we'll take the meat out and turn the heat up very, very high so we can cook the meat in its own fat. Put this right on top because that right there, right? That's just good. That's just good fat from everything else, right? Just layer that on top of there, right? Boom. Okay, these burners here, these burners run super, super hot. So you might be asking, what is this? So you might be asking, what is this? Well, this is a little ring, see, that I use that elevates the pot off the fire so I can put it on high and I don't get any bubbling over onto here, making a big fat mess. You don't need to go to Bed Bath & Beyond or anything, buy anything expensive for your kitchen to do this. All you have to do is take a piece of aluminum foil and do this. That's it. And here we are. Everything up to high. Now let that cook in there for about 4 to 5 hours. But the final step is that you refresh it with a little bit of pork, turkey, and tomato stock. I forgot that first thing you do is you bring everything up to a boil. So I don't need these just yet. Got to get everything to a boil first. So we put everything on there without raising it. Let it come to a boil, and then we raise it up. Okay, so I'll see you guys in 4 or 5 hours to show you what it looks like before, after. Super tender. There it is. And that, my friends, is how you make an English roast in my world. Now I just let it rest for a couple hours and eat whenever I damn well please. But I'm probably going to wait until later on tonight. I want to see if if I can get my weight down. My body will get my weight down to around 248, 247. I'm 249 right now. So, you guys have a great day, and I'm back to working on the channel and getting other stuff done. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.